So your baseline is a little bit low. So then what we do is now we start stressing the mitochondria. So one of the first stressors we apply is we stop the ATPase. So we stop the engine from making ATP. When this is blocked, you should have no oxygen flow through that system because the system is constantly measuring oxygen in that basal well, right? And so if oxygen is still moving through that system, that would suggest that you have an inefficiency, a leak state. And so this is what this efficiency marker is really looking at. And so your efficiency is average across the normative group. So that's good. So your mitochondria seem like they're well coupled. When they're supposed to stop, they stop, right? So that's a good thing. The next thing we look at is we stress the system to go as fast as it can. So we uncouple it and we make it churn as much oxygen through that system as it's sort of functionally can allow. Your mitochondrial potential then is looking at your baseline compared to where that churning comes out to, and it's average. So that's not bad. We see in elite athletes that are well coupled that mitochondrial potential starts to touch the 80, 90, 100 range, right? So they have this huge reserve capacity that we see.